Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have got a haul video from Queenvee Cosmetics. So if you would like to see what I got, keep watching. So I had to order some lashes when they were on sale from Queenvee, and I got a few other things in my box and I wanted to share them with you. Please excuse all this mess because I've been canning pickles and cutting my husband's hair and things like that, and I just don't feel like putting on makeup right now. So we're going to dive into this video and let's do that. Okay, so the first thing that I got are these lashes. Now, when she did her not the last, but the one before it, the new lashes that came out, I ordered Roxanne and Cash Me Out, but there was one more I didn't order. Maybe that was one before. But anyway, there was one I did not get from one of the releases, so I ended up getting it. And this is Monet, and I am in love with these lashes. And the band is it's not invisible, and it's not real thick, but it's just enough. And I love these lashes. I have told you all in the videos I've done before, these lashes they've been compared to Morphe, better than Morphe's actually. So I have wore lashes, guys. I had one pair of lashes I wore for 8 months, and I probably still could have worn them, but they were looking a little ragged. But she's got the best lashes. And then these are some that I already have a pair of these, but I like them so well I had to get another pair. These are called Candy. If I can see, these are called Candy. Look at those. Are they not gorgeous? Just so pretty. I love her lashes. And they are so pretty. That's what they look like in the container. And then I got my favorite, Queen Missy. These are the ones that I wore for 8 months. I'm telling you, if you wash your lashes and you take really good care of them, they will last a lot longer. But it also depends on how well a lash is made. And I'm telling you, these lashes are really nice. And then of course I got another set of Queen Missy, because they're my favorite. And then I got a new set of the new lashes that are called Janae. These are called Janae. So these are the new lashes, Janae. I am in love with lashes. I love lashes. And I myself can't believe that I love lashes because I never thought that I would wear lashes, honestly, guys. Let me just see. Oh my goodness. Ah! I may just have to do a look. I just might have to do a look. Oh, I love these. So these are Janae. Love them. I love her lashes and I love her. And then we have two more sets. This is Batty and I think both of these are Batty. Two of these, and I don't think that I have ever had these. These are the other ones these were Batty from the first launch. Not very first launch, but you know what I mean. The one before that I was talking about. Yeah, these are Batty. Now, these are the 25mm lashes, and yes, your girl likes the 25. Let me get one of these off. Woo! Maybe I have had Batty before. Girl, I don't know. I got so many lashes of hers. Okay, so this is Batty. Now, these are a smaller band. Oh, I love them. These are so gorgeous. So two pair of Baddies. And I haven't mentioned this yet on my channel, but we have lash subscription boxes now. Y'all gonna have to go to Queenvee's on IG, Queenvee Cosmetics, and check out her lash subscription boxes. I think you get 2 pair of lashes, a lash glue, and a lash applicator, and maybe something else in the box. Not sure on the price, but it's very worth your money. And then of course she threw in 2 of the wands for when you clean your lashes, so you can brush them out. So there's the lashes. And then what else did we get? And then I ordered one of the face crystals, the jewels. This is Lady in Black. I love this one. It sold out after she got it, so I didn't get to get it during the last sale at Christmas, and she threw this one in for me. Thank you, V. I love you. And this one is called, I don't know. So I'm going to take and use these stones right here, like with eye looks and stuff. So yeah. And then we also have hair accessories. And I bought this months ago, and I wanted a matching set, so I ordered another one. So now I have 2, so I can wear them in my hair when I'm doing my looks or whatever, if I'm taking a picture and want to put my hair up, you know. So they are clip in, so I really like them. And we have them in gold pure gold like this. We have the silver. Then we also have them in the colored stones through here, the colored stones. And then we have the star clip barrette. So we have plenty of those to choose from. And then she threw in the rose water spray, and I was so excited to try this because Vee's skin is amazing. It looks so good, and she makes her own skincare, and I've been trying to talk her into selling that because I just think it would do good, but her skin looks so good. So this is made by her. I'm going to try it. And it's not overpowering. I don't like rose smell. I like the smell of roses, but you know, if you get like something that's like a lotion or something and it's really overpowering, I don't like an overpowering smell, and this is perfect right here. This is so perfect. So yes, I am excited to have this. Thank you, Vee. And that is it, my loves, of this haul. If you guys would like to go check out Queenvee Cosmetics, make sure you use my code Belinda15 and save some money and get you some of these good lashes. And we've also got a blush palette coming out. We have brushes coming out. That will be in the upcoming PR box. I'm so excited to get the box, and we'll have some more goodies when the box gets here. So thank you for tuning in to my channel. I want to welcome all new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. And if you are new and haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.